Hey everyone, in this video I'll teach you about operators in Java. If you're not familiar with operators, it's fine, don't worry. In this video we'll learn operators by solving real world problems. The problem was write a Java program that evaluates a person's eligibility to join the army. And the eligibilities are: the person's BMI must be between 19 and 24, the person's age must be greater than 18, the person must be male. If the person is eligible, then the salary will be increased by 1000. So this is our problem. Let's solve this problem. So here, to solve the problem, we need to check three things. One is we need to check BMI value, and next one we need to check if the age is greater than or equal to 18, and next one we need to check the gender is male or not. So what BMI is? BMI defines a body mass index. We have a formula to find that, which is BMI is equal to weight divided by height square. So by applying this formula, you can find the BMI. For that, first we need to get the weight and height from the user. So I have created a scanner class, which is used to get the input from the user. Now I'll store that input in the variable name weight. And height as well. Now let me apply the formula here. BMI equals to weight divided by height into height, which is height square. Now let's print the BMI value. Here you may get confused what this backslash and star symbol is. These and all arithmetic operators. Here is a list of them where you will use for different purpose. First let us run this program and then we'll see the output. Here we need to enter a weight first, so we'll give it as 90, and height we need to give it in meters, so I'll give 2 meters. Here you can see 22 is the BMI of this particular user. So next we need to check the age is greater than or equal to 18 or not. For that I'll get the input from the user and I'll store it in the variable called age. I'll use the same scanner method. As we are taking the integer as an input, you can use the same. Now let us create another variable with the boolean data type called is adult. We'll assign it an value true or false. If the age is greater than or equal to 18, it will assign true, else it will assign false. Let me print the adult value. Let me save this program and run it once. Here we need to enter first weight and then height. We got output of 15 BMI value. Next we need to enter the age. Let me enter 19. Here you can see true. So the person is eligible for the army. Here we use greater than or equal to symbol, which is in relational operators. Here is the list of them where you can go through it. Next thing is we need to get the gender from the user and check is it is male or female. For that, we need to create another scanner method. Why? Because now we are getting a string value as an input. We'll create another scanner object. So with this string scanner, we'll get the input of gender from the user and store it in a variable called gender. For string, we need to use next line. For integer value, next int. Next, we need to check the user entered value is male or not. So here you can see I have created another variable called isMale, which stores the value true or false. If the user entered value is male, it will store true value, or else it will store false value. Now we have all three values. Now let's check is the user is eligible for the army or not. For that, I'll create an if statement to check all the three conditions. First, I will use is adult and is male and age should be greater than or equal to, sorry, not age, and BMI should be greater than or equal to 19 and less than or equal to 24. So here we are using double and symbol, which is a logical operator which will allow the user to enter if statement only if both the statement are true, or else it won't allow, it will go to else statement. Now we'll write else statement. If the user is not eligible, we'll print as not eligible. Here this double and symbol is a logical operator. Here you can see the list of logical operators which are used for different purposes. So now we have all the three values. If the user satisfy all these three statements, then we'll increase its salary by 1000. So now I created a variable called salary and assign a 10,000 value to it. Now let me increase it by 1000 salary. By using plus equals to symbol, I have increased the value by 1000. So now I am printing the eligibility along with the salary. So here, as I told, plus equals to is an assignment operator. Here is a list of them. You can go through it. Let me run the program once. Let us see how it works. So first we need to enter weight. I have given 80 and then height as 2 meters. So his BMI value is 20. Now we need to give his age. We'll give 30. True, it means he is eligible, he is adult. And then now we'll give it as a male. Here we got the output. So in this video we have learnt arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators and assignment operators. We still have a bitwise operator. We will look at that in later videos.